Tulad ko rin ba kayong umiinom at naghahanap ng malamig kapag naiinitan? May re-recommend ako sa inyo guys, Aisin IC20 Pro Ice Maker. Kaya nitong gumawa ng ice in just 7 minutes. Rapid ice making in no time. 25% energy saving, ice making without huge energy bill. Kaya nitong gumawa ng ice up to 10 kilograms per day. Hindi kagaya ng traditional fridge na kailangan mo pa maghintay ng up to 3 hours bago ka magkaroon ng ice. Maglagay ka lang ng tubig. Press button to make ice. Ito rin lang pipindutin nyo ng isang beses pag gusto nyong i-off. 2 beses naman kung gusto nyo linisan. May drain plug na rin to sa baba. Simplicity and convenience. Pure ice quality. Purity and freshness. No odor, no bad taste, just pure clean ice. May handle na rin, portable na portable. Kusa na rin siyang tumitigil pag puno na yung ice basket. Click the yellow basket below to enjoy every cool moment with the Aisin IC20 Pro Ice Maker today.